Hello 990, this is Mujahid Sartawi and welcome to the Computer Science class of 7th of April 2020. Today we will continue with the chapter 8, Security and Ethics. In the previous class we talked about the security and ethics as in general. Why do we need security? Why do we need our data to be secured? What are the threats? Um, that what might happen to our data, and we said it might be corrupted or deleted by accidental damage or maybe through malicious act. We talked also about security and data integrity, and we started with the different security threats. We started also with page 98 with the first security threat, which is hacking. We defined the hacking, and we said it's the act of gaining illegal access to a computer system without having authentication from the user or from the owner. Also, we talked about viruses, and we defined a virus as a program or a program code that can replicate or copy itself, and it can delete or corrupt files or maybe cause damage or cause the computer to malfunction. We explained what are the effects of viruses on our computers, and also we talked about how to protect ourselves from viruses. And we said that we have too many different ways. Today we will continue with the third type of risks, which is phishing. Now I want you to pay attention to uh, to this to this term. We have here PH, phishing, not F. Okay, so this is not F, it's PH. So we have PH, phishing is what is the creator sends or the hacker sends out a legitimate looking email. The word legitimate means something genuine, something looking true. It looks not fake. You trust it. So it's a legitimate looking email. As soon as the recipient clicks on the link or on a link in the email, attachment the user is sent to a fake bogus website or a fake website. So as we see here, as if we have somebody, this man is the hacker, and let's say that we have a lake, and this is a hunter, a fisher, and we have a bait, and we have a small fish here. I'm not good in drawing, by the way. So the small fish will take this bait. That's why we have this term, which is phishing. Okay, so the hacker will have a bait. So the bait is the legitimate looking email sent to the victim, and the victim think that this is a genuine, this is a true email sent from my bank or from my organization, from my school, from the place I work with. So, but in fact, it's not. It's a fake, and it sends you to into a fake website. And the purpose of this act is to take take the personal data from people. So, what it does, or what are the effects? The creator of the email can gain personal data such as bank account. This is very dangerous. Bank account number from users when they visit the fake website. Then they can lead to fraud or identity theft, after taking the personal data, they might use it for identity theft. How to protect ourselves? Simply by taking these measures, which is many internet service providers filter out phishing emails. I want you to pay attention to this term, which is ISP. It stands for Internet Service Providers. They are the companies or the companies that gives us or provide us with the internet service, like Omnia, Zain, or any of these companies in Jordan, for example. And the other thing, rather than filtering out the phishing emails by using, of course, some algorithms to do that, the user should always be cautious when opening an email or attachment. So don't trust any source. So this is really important. Let's go now to the second threat, which is farming. Farming, again, pay attention to the PH here. It's not farming. It's not F, it's PH. Farming, like when you, it's related to the farming process. That's why I'll explain it after we read this. It's a malicious code. So a hacker who's good in programming write malicious code installed on a user's hard drive or on the web server. The code will redirect the user to a fake, bogus website without their knowledge. So, as if the hacker will plant. That's why it's related to the farming process. Uh, implant a malicious code, a sort of code written by a programming language, and it's sent to the hard disk of the user. And this malicious code has some commands or instructions that harms the computer system and send it to a fake website without the knowledge of the user. The effects of this type of threats are here. First of all, the creator of the malicious code can gain personal data such as bank account numbers from users when they visit the fake website. So this is common. This can lead to fraud and identity theft, so we have the same effects that we have in phishing. How can we protect ourselves from anti-spyware software that can identify and remove the farming code from your hard drive? So this anti-spyware, it's a software installed in the computer system. It protects your computer system from any suspicious codes installed into your hard drive. Secondly, and the last thing, the user should always be alert when looking out um, clues that they are being redirected to another website. So we have to be aware of that. Something very important, something else. When a user enters a website, you should pay attention to the HTTPS. So the S here means that this is a secure website. It enables the security protocol. So when you go to a certain website, you should make sure that you have the HTTPS, which means that you are entering a secure website. This is all for today. See you next time.